Hello, I'm Michael Dross. I'm your son or daughter's psychology teacher for this school year. This semester, at least, I'll probably have them a few of them for sociology next semester, but first semester is psychology. It goes down the line here with 13 modules total. I have 7 up so far for the first 9 weeks. So it's a fast-paced class. They learn a lot. This is extremely helpful if they want to take AP psychology in the future because they'll have a familiarity with all of the general knowledge things that will be going along with that class too. But at the end of the day, this is a general class. It's not too over their head for being in this classroom for the material that we go over and the pace too. I make it, even though it's 13 modules in one semester, we make it at a pace that's doable and understandable, and not rushed, to a great degree at least. All their work will be here on Canvas. Their assignments, I give them some time in class to work on it. Their main homework will be to study for tests at home. Other than that, they'll be working on crosswords and vocabulary stuff that is located in each one of these modules. And then I also have the lectures that I'll go over in each module too that's helpful for them to follow along, and they could type notes if they need to during the lecture to help them retain the material. Up here at announcements has the whole breakdown for the whole 9 weeks. I'll have it up for the next 9 weeks too. But you can see I have a day-by-day breakdown what we do every day, and there's no mysteries. They know exactly what's going on here all the way through the end of this 9 weeks so far. So if you have any questions, parents or kids as well, but just email me at drossm@leonschools.net. I'll be happy to get back to you with any kind of questions and concerns. This is a fun class. A lot of kids enjoy coming in this class and learning a lot out of it. It's got a lot of neat material. But if you need help with anything, I'm always here for you. Let me know if I can help, and thank you for watching.